Well, he has already proven to be an invaluable trove of information on Pakistan's terror plans, and the special cell of the Delhi police today will seek more time to interrogate Abdul Karim Tunda. The top LET boss will be produced in court later in the day with all the evidence detailing his involvement in multiple terror cases that make him the country's most wanted terrorist.
He is the Delhi police's most prized catch, wanted in over 40 cases of terror and hunted for nearly 2 decades. Abdul Karim Tunda has all the answers that investigating agencies need to piece together Pakistan's nefarious plans to spread terror in India. And after 4 days of extensive interrogations, Tunda is already turning out to be a human dossier against Pakistan. And investigating agencies claim the LET top boss has already proven to be an encyclopedia on Pakistan government's various arms involved in facilitation of cross-border terrorism.
Emphatically told Pakistan as well as the world that their neighbors are actually helping terrorists in this country. And I think with the arrest of Tunda, that becomes extremely evident. It is something that they really need to have a look upon if they want to continue this kind of attack on Indian soil. It obviously is not very conducive to talks.
During his interrogation, Tunda also revealed how ISI has been linking up various terror groups like the Khalistan movement, financing them and providing logistical support. In fact, it is the ISI which has been harboring Dawood Ibrahim on Pakistan soil for years, and it was the ISI which brought Dawood and Tunda together in 2002.
ISI has always backed Khalistan terrorists. They had brought the Kashmiri terrorists and the Khalistani terrorists together with an organization in between called the Khalistan Zindabad Force, created by the ISI.
And so crucial is Tunda's testimony in nailing Pakistan that the special cell of the Delhi police will seek further custodial remand later in the day today to strengthen their case against Pakistan.
When Tunda will be produced for the first time before a Delhi court, the special cell will seek further custody on the grounds that they would like to understand how ISI used Lashkar-e-Toiba to foment trouble in the country.
The evidence is irrefutable, but how much more proof does Pakistan need? Bureau Report, Times Now.